Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick video on my nighttime routine because I get a lot of... Come here, Nor. Ah.
Hi guys.
Hi guys. Do you want to remove my makeup?
Yeah. Can I?
Yes, you can help me. Nora's going to help me remove my makeup.
Can I remove your lashes?
Yes, but I'm going to show you guys really quickly a trick on how to do that first. So I get a lot of requests on my nighttime routine because I feel like your nighttime is probably the most important.
It is. You have to be very calm when you sleep.
You have to be very calm when you sleep and you need to be very careful when you're removing your makeup. So I'm going to show you guys a couple of tricks on the best way to do that to be really sensitive to your skin.
It's called the new Nor challenge.
Kids these days. So I'm going to show you guys really quickly what I do. So the first thing I do...
You got makeup remover, I think.
Makeup remover. That's right.
Hello, my name's Huda, and today we're going to learn about how to do the lip
I
stroke.
do not sound like that. Get out of here. Get out of here. You move my camera. Okay, guys, so the first thing I do is I like to remove my lashes, and I like to be really, really careful when I do that.
To do like
No. No!
You said I can take them off.
Yeah, but that's not how you do it. Well, the first thing I like to do is I like to take a Q-tip and some micellar water. Okay, so I like to soak my Q-tip with micellar water, and then you rub the lash line here, so you really loosen up. Yeah, so you loosen up the glue. And what this does is it makes it really gentle when it comes off your eyelid, but it also helps prevent your lash from becoming ruined.
Can I try, Mom?
Yeah.
Ooh, that's messy.
And you just pull the lash. Ooh, it comes right off. Even with the best lash glue, it comes right off. It's amazing. And you can set that down somewhere where your kids won't touch it.
Of course I'll touch it.
No! Don't. Come on. She's just gonna rub.
I need some more.
You need some more? Okay, let's do the other side. We're gonna put more micellar. I like to basically put the Q-tip all the way into the applicator, and I like to really get it really soaked.
So your eyes?
Child, in my eye. With a pointy thing.
Try to remove it.
Go keep rubbing back and forth, back and forth. It's like 20 times. Really gently along the lash.
I
said gentle!
Look how pretty this looks, guys.
It's glittery.
Okay,
My
I guess you
makeup
can't
was
see.
glittery today. Oh, the lash is coming off. See how easy that is?
It broke though, I think.
No,
oh,
it
no, it
didn't.
didn't. I thought it broke.
No, I didn't break. Oh,
I need to take it off.
no, I have a good trick for that.
Ah, I see. Some things don't work.
Should you be in bed?
I don't want to go to bed.
The next thing I like to do is
I
I like to
put some
use
coconut oil.
I like to use regular coconut oil because I just feel like it's really natural and it's really good. Otherwise, you can also use some of these melting makeup removers like the Ulla Henriksen. That one's really good as well. What should I use, the coconut oil or Ulla Henriksen?
Which one's better for you?
I'm grabbing some of that Ulla Henriksen.
Can I touch it?
No, baby. I'm gonna put it all over you.
Okay. Put it on over me. For real.
No, baby.
Why?
It's not good for you.
Oh, okay.
And I'm going to do my eyes now, and this is going to end up looking really scary. Nora, you ready? She's terrified. Ooh. And I just like to work it in like a circular motion. And I'm being really gentle. You can use like, yeah, your ring finger.
I'm the new beauty blogger. I'm taking over. Okay, first you need to play this.
Wait, don't use that. That's clean. Don't use that. Don't. Okay, guys, so I look really scary now. I'm grabbing one of these cloths that I got from Mini, so I just wipe my hands on it. Whoa, that's a lot of makeup.
That is.
Whoa.
I'm the new beauty
And you should be, whoa. So usually I like to use a bamboo cloth because it's really gentle, but I'm just going to use this cloth right now. And you should be really gentle with your skin. I'm probably being a little too rough right now.
If you're too rough, then you could like you hurt your skin and stuff.
What happens to your skin?
Oh, I don't know.
It might start to sag.
Oh. And guys, do not rub your face down. Up.
Upwards. She's taught really well. So I'm actually going to cleanse my skin again after removing my makeup because you can still see there's a lot of makeup and you want to remove all that pigmentation, all the makeup from your skin because no matter how amazing makeup is, you want to let your skin breathe. So you really want to remove all of those pigmentations and pigments and formulations, no matter how good they are for you, off your skin. So I took 3 pumps of that Camellia oil. This is the Camellia oil from Tatcha, One Step Camellia Cleansing Oil. I really love this. I'm now really going to attempt to remove all the makeup that's left. I'm moving makeup again.
Can I see?
Ooh, there's still makeup on.
Wow.
And a lot. Cleansing with the oil afterwards is really important. Ooh. There's a lot of makeup that you just sometimes can't, wow. Sometimes you just can't see it. It's insane. That's a lot of makeup for thinking I didn't have any makeup on. We've written about it on the blog before. Double cleansing is amazing. It is actually a very popular Asian tradition. And when we wrote about it and when we started doing it, like we all noticed such a huge difference. Since I started, I literally cannot stop doing. I'm obsessed with it. Your skin just looks more even. And I think it's because a lot of the product is getting deep into your skin. That is a lot of makeup. Oh my God. Okay, and then this is an optional step. This is part of double cleansing. So double cleansing means using one oil once to remove all your makeup. And obviously I use 2 oils because I wear a lot of makeup sometimes. But I'm also going to use the Tatcha, the deep cleanse. And you can see I pretty much ran out of it. So I have to put it upside down and the buttons come off and everything. So I'm just going to go ahead and I'm squeezing out. This is a lot, but I'm going to use that much. I usually put like a dime amount on my, like a big pea. And I'm gonna work it into my skin. And I really worked it into my neck as well. So now I'm gonna use a bamboo cloth. These are amazing. I get these from Net-a-Porter. They're so good. And I'm gonna try to wash off. And I swear you still get makeup off. It's not much, but still that little pigmentation can be keeping you from the clearest, most beautiful, most purest skin. And so I find that because I take really good care of my skin, even though I wear so much makeup, my skin is better than it was before. And I do try to take days off where I don't wear any makeup at all. Doesn't happen often, but it really does help. It's really important to get that wash completely off your skin. I'm just gonna rinse my face.
Mommy? Okay, hey guys, so today we're gonna just use a little bit of scrub and swap. It's not this, we just dip it in, and then, can you see my lashes? They came off. Can you see them coming off?
What are you doing? She's crazy. I had to rinse my face because I still had a little bit of a face wash on, just because you don't want any of that residue from the face wash on your skin. So I just had to rinse it.
Because it will not be good for your skin.
No, it won't be good for your skin.
Excuse.
So the one thing that it's really important to remember is that your skin is an organ. So
remember, everyone's beautiful.
Everyone is beautiful. Good message, Noor. But your skin is an organ, so it's really important that you keep it balanced. There are some products that you may find yourself using for years and years and years and years, and this one product I have been using for a long time. And the reason is because your skin's an organ, it really needs to be balanced. You don't want to get it out of whack.
And you don't want to leave makeup on your skin.
You don't want to leave makeup on your skin.
Not even like a tiny drop of foundation. Not even like a tiny drop of like eyeliner.
I'm just going to quickly grab, this is the Clinique number 2 toner. I've been using this. Again, this is a product I've been using for years. This just for me is the only thing that keeps my acne at bay. It's the only thing. I put a little bit of product on the pad and then I fold it over so this way we get a nice amount on the pad. Not too much because it is a little drying, so I don't want to get that much on there. Just enough to slightly saturate, damp the pad. I do also, just quick note, like to use these pads from Target. These have little ridges on them and I think they're just a little bit more exfoliating. I do feel that with each thing that you're doing, each thing that you add on for cleansing, sometimes you kind of reach like a different place. So that kind of helps. Like sometimes you go like into the sideburns, on the brow, the nostrils. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to use my favorite serum in the whole entire world. This is from SkinCeuticals. It's a CE Frulic. I don't know if there's anything left in here. There is.
It also sort of kind of looks like honey.
Yeah, it looks a little bit like honey. It doesn't feel like honey.
It actually kind of looks like apple juice, like the golden apple juice.
Oh, really?
For me.
So this causes a little bit of a slight appeal, so you don't want to wear this during the day. No, you only want to wear it at night. And yeah, I wouldn't wear this every single day.
Yeah.
So I'm using this SkinCeuticals firming lotion. I'm out of it, so I have to open it and scrape the inside.
Looks pretty yummy.
Yeah.
I know you're not
I
supposed
don't
to
think
eat
you should
it.
taste it, no.
Guys, remember, don't do that.
Because why?
You get saggy skin. Listen to me, I'm your beauty boss.
You are the new beauty boss. So on the SkinCeuticals firming lotion, this is amazing if you want to like really have a beautiful jawline, but also it tightens your pores. So I love it. It helps me with my pores.
Shiny?
It makes it, I would say, radiant, which means it glows. I'm going to use this Ren Rose Oil because I find that when I use it, my skin literally clears up so much. You guys will probably notice we put a lot of rosehip oil in our products, and it actually is because of this. I just noticed it really heals the skin, so I'm obsessed with rosehip oil. You put your serum on first, then your lotion, then your oils. Oils go on last, very importantly.
Ooh, you smell blue.
Okay, I'm gonna grab the Ann Simonin eye contour.
That also looks
This
like
is the
orange
best
juice.
thing ever. So just put a small amount on and I'm blending it in. You really don't need to wipe this. You don't need to go back and forth. You just tap it in. Next, I'm going to grab the Ann Simonin Miracle Eye Contour Anti-Wrinkle Cream, and I'm just going to put a small amount on my hand and apply that too. Again, I just kind of tap. I don't really rub. I just tap. Last, I'm going to use a concoction that I made. This is the Privage from Elizabeth Arden, but I actually emptied out the entire product, and I just put castor and coconut oil in it. And I swear, I don't use this regularly, but when I do, oh my god, my lashes grow so long. And if you guys want, as a final step, you can always use like a jade roller. A lot of people like to use jade rollers or rollers whenever they're putting products into their skin. I love jade rollers, but I recently was introduced to the Madonna roller, the MDNA roller. This is unreal. And I don't know why it's unreal. I don't know what about it is. I feel like the shape of it, I feel like these little grooves also grab onto your skin. Literally, I can see the difference in my skin after I use it. It's so good. So I'm just going to quickly just go upwards on my jaw. This is really going to give you a great contour. I'm going to grab the La Mer lip balm. This is like my favorite product in the whole entire world. Or sometimes I just use Vaseline or Labello. I'm obsessed with Labello. If you guys try a couple things in this video, make sure you guys comment below and let me know what you try, what you like, hopefully how this changes your skin, and some of your favorite products too. Let us know all your favorite products. Please make sure you guys subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys!